In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be always online on Slack. We'll walk through setting your presence to active, assigning a status that sticks, and confirming how it looks to teammates. I'll narrate each click so you can follow along on the web or desktop app. Start by opening Slack. Any workspace view is fine. To make presence controls easy to reach, open a channel. Any channel you're a member of works. This brings up the channel header where you can access the member list. Now open the members panel from the top right. This shows everyone in the channel, including you. Find yourself in that list and open your profile card. You'll see your current presence and status. If it says something like, away with notifications snoozed, click that area to open the presence menu. If an extra overlay or panel gets in the way, close it with the X so you can clearly see your profile options. If needed, click your avatar or account area again to bring the presence menu back into focus. Now change your presence from away to active by choosing Set Yourself as Active. This immediately updates the green indicator. Click your account area again to verify the change. It should now read active. With presence set, let's make it more consistent by adding a status that doesn't auto-clear. Select Update Your Status. From the suggested options, choose Working Remotely. You can pick another label if your team prefers, but I'll keep the example as is. Next, set how long the status should last. Start with Today to see the duration options. Change the clear behavior to Don't Clear so the status remains in place until you manually remove it. If you want a specific time frame, choose date and time to open the scheduler. For broader coverage, pick this week so it spans multiple days. Again, make sure Don't Clear is selected, especially if you want the status to persist. When you're satisfied, click Save. Open your account menu once more to confirm everything took effect. It should show active, along with the working remotely status and its emoji. This pairing, presence set to active and a persistent status, helps you appear available and consistent throughout the day. To double check from a teammate's perspective, return to the channel members panel. Select your own entry to preview what others see. You should notice the active indicator and your working remotely status displayed. If you spot active with notifications snoozed, that means your presence is active but notifications are paused on your side. Your teammates will still see you as active. Close the preview and confirm again that your working remotely status appears next to your name in the members list. A few practical tips to make this stick. Slack presence is influenced by activity on your device. Keeping the app open and your computer awake helps maintain the active state you just set. If your system sleeps or you quit Slack, presence may switch back to away based on workspace settings. Also, the set yourself as active action can be temporary in some organizations, so periodically glance at your profile to ensure it still reads active. Your status, however, will remain until you change or clear it because you selected Don't Clear. That's the full flow we covered. Open Slack in a channel, view members, open your own profile, set yourself as active, update your status to working remotely, set the duration with Don't Clear, optionally spanning this week, save, and verify both in your account menu and the members list. Follow these steps, keep Slack running, and you'll appear consistently online to your team.